all the sides very high. It's one of our samples for the connection for the full parts is there for all of you for demonstrations. Okay, yes. And also we also have this true color. We also have this black color, this black matte color, and also have this matte gray color. This true color is one of our. You can touch the moment when you feel it's high quality, and the material is also very high quality. The structure is beautiful, and also you can make sure and reliable of this fancy installation because it's double layer. We still have this super inside, and also this thickness is 2 millimeters. Now is the fence post, and also now we are just putting right here. And the next is this gap design, and we will just slide it in this place. And then you actually can fix because it just can have a slight angle, but most of the time they will need to fix together as this, like a right angle. Also, how make them as a gap design, because we also have this gap intersection, which can let each room connect this piece by piece for like about 25 to 35 millimeter as a gap distance for each set. So the set can be a gapped set and also the slant here. And the highest for the gap is no limited. Even if you want 2 slats for the one fence panel, this is also available. Yes, and you need a hammer to pull it. So today I'm not gonna show the very precisely. I will show you the most. So when they will need all the fence panel like connected together before you put it into this fence post. So if you've done all of this,